Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of affirmations, specifically focused on manifesting a lottery win. If you've ever dreamt of hitting that jackpot, this video is for you. We'll be sharing a collection of powerful affirmations that can help align your energy with the abundance of the universe. Repeat these affirmations daily with unwavering belief. Before we begin, make sure you're in a quiet and comfortable space, free from distractions, so you can fully immerse yourself in this manifestation journey. Let's start by setting our intention. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in and out. In and out. As you exhale, imagine the universe conspiring to fulfill your dreams. Now let's begin with these affirmations and remember to repeat them with faith, belief, and conviction. I am a magnet for financial abundance and prosperity. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I trust in the infinite abundance of the universe. The lottery jackpot is mine to claim, and it's on its way to me. My thoughts and feelings are in perfect harmony with winning the lottery. I am in sync with the energy of abundance. I release any doubts or fears about winning the lottery. I am open to receiving vast sums of money and using them wisely. Every day, in every way, I am getting closer to winning the lottery. It is my destiny to live a life of financial freedom. I am grateful for the abundance that is already present in my life. Winning the lottery is just another form of this abundance. I radiate positivity and attract positive energy. This positivity draws the lottery win closer to me. I deserve to live a life of abundance and financial freedom. Winning the lottery is my birthright. The universe is conspiring to make my lottery win a reality. I trust the timing of my abundance. I am a powerful creator, and I choose to create a life filled with prosperity, joy, and limitless opportunities. I am a lucky person and I attract abundance into my life, including lottery winnings. I am open to receiving the financial blessings that come my way, including winning the lottery. I believe in my ability to manifest my dreams, including winning a life-changing lottery jackpot. I am aligned with the energy of abundance, and winning the lottery is a natural outcome of my mindset. I am grateful for the financial freedom and opportunities that winning the lottery will bring into my life. I trust the universe to provide for me, and winning the lottery is one of the ways it can happen. I visualize myself celebrating and enjoying the benefits of winning the lottery. I am confident that my positive thoughts and intentions will lead me to lottery success. My financial success is inevitable, and I welcome it with open arms. I am in the right place at the right time to win a life-changing lottery prize. I trust in the timing of the universe and believe my lottery win is on its way. I release any doubts or fears about winning the lottery and embrace faith. I am open to receiving unexpected windfalls, including lottery jackpots. I attract wealth effortlessly and enjoy the journey to financial freedom. Every day, I am getting closer to my financial dreams, including winning the lottery. I am grateful for the abundance I have now and the lottery win that is coming. I am a winner, and winning the lottery is part of my destiny. My positive thoughts and actions are creating my lottery jackpot. I have a deep sense of gratitude for the abundance that surrounds me. I am financially secure, and I trust in the universe's plan for me. I am in tune with the abundance of the universe, and it is always providing for me. I am a master manifester, and I manifest wealth and prosperity effortlessly. I am open to receiving unexpected financial blessings, including lottery prizes. I am a jackpot winner, and I celebrate my good fortune every day. I am open to receiving wealth in ways I can't even imagine. I am a winner, and my lottery jackpot is just around the corner. I am grateful for the financial freedom that winning the lottery brings. Keep repeating these affirmations daily, and as you do, visualize your life changing with that lottery win. See yourself receiving that check, feeling the excitement, and using your newfound wealth to create positive changes in your life and the lives of others. Remember, manifestation takes time and patience. Trust in the process, stay positive, and keep your energy aligned with your desires. The universe has a way of bringing your dreams to fruition when you least expect it. Thank you for joining us today on Daily Drops of Heaven. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who might also be on their manifestation journey. May your lottery win manifest sooner than you could ever imagine.